Hi, I wanted to show you a new product that we're carrying at catchsunlight.com. This is a standard polycarbonate extruded greenhouse panel, 10 millimeter in thickness, has 4 layers. But what's interesting about this is it's actually a standing seam, so there's no penetrations. Mounting is involved screwing or otherwise fastening a bracket to purlins and then mounting the panels on that bracket and snapping it together with the standing seam connector. So it's really a slick solution. If you've ever done standing seam roofing, it's the same principle because there are no penetrations for the actual membrane. So it's guaranteed to be waterproof. And this has a really good look to it, so it's ideal for applications both involving greenhouse agriculture as well as residential applications such as sunrooms, pergolas, other type applications. It's $3 a square foot right now. That's what we're carrying it at. It's the lowest price in the USA guaranteed. Our nearest competitor is in Texas, and I think they're $10 a square foot. So it's a really good deal. This is a thicker material. This is a 16 millimeter, which is a 5/8. We can custom order any thickness like this, up to 7 layer. We do have in stock the 4 layer 10 millimeter. We keep 14-foot, 1-inch long panels. They're 2 feet wide, and we have all the trim and the fastening hardware that's necessary, screws, etc. So yeah, just that's $3 complete, by the way, accessories and polycarbonate. So it's a pretty good deal. In any event, let me show you this video in terms of how to install it. It'll make sense. Keep on watching. So this video is going to show the installation process. I rely on polyvalley.com, Poly Valley Technology Ltd. They're in Tianjin, China, and they're the manufacturer of the products that we use in our own greenhouses and we also carry. And this is a neat product that I wanted to try, so we decided to go ahead and buy a bunch of this for our own applications on our greenhouses, as well as to offer for a resale. But it was developed in China, relying on the system that goes on purlins. Purlins are about 1 meter centers. This does have a bending radius associated with it. It depends on the thickness, but it does match curvature if you need it to go on a curved surface. So it's a matter of just mounting the connectors, putting in the compliant, it's a compliant mechanism. It's basically a snap channel that you put over those standing seam members. That's how you keep it tightened together, and those brackets actually hold it down, give you the strength to withstand wind and overpressurization inside your structure. It's a slick product for not just for the no membrane penetrations, but it's a good looking product. And I think a lot of people, they like the multi-layer polycarbonate for greenhouses. But as far as appearance goes in sunrooms, solariums, it just doesn't have that panache that a lot of people like. So that's what this is available for. It's a little bit, actually, honestly, it's not a lot more expensive than the normal greenhouse materials. It is more expensive, but not too much. Normal greenhouse materials, by the time you factor in all your accessories and fasteners, it's approaching $3 a square foot, depending on what thickness. I thought I'd include this video. What this does is show the lines that actually produce this material and how long you can make this material. I mean, you can make it incredibly long. Several applications are used globally for this material. It's not new. Maybe new to the U.S. It's not heavily used here because of the perceived expense, but we've cut that down through bulk purchases. In any event, if you're interested in this product, feel free to contact us directly. Thanks.